It's happening again. More over-the-counter eye drops have been recalled by the FDA, and it's not just one or two this time. That's right, there are almost 30 eye drops that have been recalled for contamination, and you could have them in your medicine cabinet and need to stop using them immediately. Contaminated eye drops can lead to serious eye infections that can permanently damage vision in less than 24 hours and even lead to death in some cases. These recent recalls were made after unsanitary conditions were found in the manufacturing facilities, and positive bacterial test results were found after sampling areas of the production facility. It seems the FDA is cracking down since the first recall that happened in early 2023. In the first recall, it was just Ezricare Artificial Tears that were recalled, and that was because they were found in connection with serious eye infections that led to blindness and enucleation in some cases, and even a few cases of death. The second recall was in August 2023 for 2 drops, Dr. Berne's MSM Drops 5% solution and LightEyez MSM Drops Eye Repair. The third recall was this November 2023 and included many eye drops by different brands, and those brands are CVS Heath, Leader, Rugby, LightEyez, Target, Velocity, and Walmart. See the description for the full written list of eye drop names. If you have any of these, stop using them immediately and monitor for pain, redness, discharge, irritation, and other signs of infection. And see the link for how to properly dispose of them. The good news is this August and November recall have not been found in connection with any of these serious eye complications, enucleations, or deaths that we know of yet. The reason that these eye drops were recalled is because they were found in the production facilities to have bacteria and fungi that could potentially lead to these issues. Eye drops should always be sterile, and preservative-free eye drops should be in single-use vials or in bottles that are specially designed to prevent contamination. Thank goodness they are finding these contaminations now and recalling these eye drops before they become a serious problem like they were with the initial recall of the Ezricare Artificial Tears. For more information about these types of infections and the August 2023 recall, check out my video here. Scared about whether the eye drops you're using are safe? Go to eyedropsafety.org, search your favorite eye drops for the most current information. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for updates and for more information about the eyes.